Hi, Kevin. I'd like to ask you this question. I see continuous improvement for ignition and for the perspective module. What do you think? How mature is the perspective module at the moment compared to the future, to your see of the future?
You know, that's a great question. We've gone through a lot of maturing of the perspective module at this point. So we started out with Ignition 8.0. Admittedly, that was the first version, and it was a little bit rough around the edges to get out of the gate, and then it's matured a lot since then. We have a lot of really interesting projects that folks are doing on it, and at this point, I'm not hesitant to suggest perspective to just about anyone who I'm talking to. There are folks who are using it on, I like to think of them like ocean Roombas. So there are these ships that are unmanned, that are on the ocean, that are going around, being run by Ignition and MQTT and data transport and some of this IoT and those technologies, where folks are sitting on shore, pressing buttons inside Ignition, inside Perspective, and having it control these. There's also video feeds coming in, and that's just one example, right? There are other folks who have literally hundreds of different locations that are reporting back to Central. There's dashboards that are available. There's folks who are tying in with machine learning, AI, analytics, doing predictive and prescriptive maintenance, and prescriptive tuning as well for their systems. And I'd say almost all of our greenfield installations are using Perspective at this point. So in terms of product maturity, we still have some things that we're adding. We're planning on adding some offline mode so that you can do things like collect data from areas that don't have any network access. We're planning on doing things that make it even more friendly to version control going into the future. But those are just some side notes. There's, hundreds, thousands of customers that are getting a lot of benefit out of Perspective today. And it's been really exciting to see that as it's come to a point of maturity that it is right now, really how far it's come and where we're going into the future. And it's really up to the innovation of our customers, and your customers, of course, to take it there, and the sky's the limit.
Thank you, Kevin.